If you're in an area that could be affected by flooding, it's important to be prepared with these essential tips. Plan ahead and prepare a kit. Make sure your emergency kit is complete and you and your family know of its location. Know the flood alert ratings. Know the flood ratings and what they mean. Use them as a trigger to stay or leave the area and familiarise yourself with the emergency services websites. Sandbag doors and windows. If you have time, prepare your home by sandbagging windowsills and doors to prevent water from entering. You can obtain a copy of your local council's flood plan to see if your home is in a high-risk area. Consider helping vulnerable people. Consider moving children, the elderly, and people with illness or disability away from danger as early as possible. And don't forget your pets and other animals around your home. Know when and where to evacuate to. If you're in high-risk flood areas, know where you will evacuate to and leave early. Don't wait and see. Come up with a plan to decide when to leave your home, where you will go, and how you will get there. Inform family of your plans. Always notify your family and friends of your plans and intentions. If you're searching for a family member, contact the local police and the Red Cross can help. Know how to turn off gas and power. Know the location of the gas mains tap and the fuse box at your property and turn them off when the flood approaches. If it's flooded, forget it. Stay out of floodwaters. They can be deceptive and dangerous. Roads can be completely shifted under the floodwaters and currents can easily force vehicles off bridges and roads. Floodwater is unpredictable. Letting kids play near drains, creeks or rivers puts them at risk. Beware of fallen power lines. Fallen power lines could still be live even if the power is out in the area, and floodwaters could be conducting electricity. Internet and other communications. Your home phone, computer or other devices connected to the NBN will not work if there is a power failure during an emergency. This means you may not be able to call 000 to access emergency services from your home phone. Stay informed with the ABC. During an emergency, your local ABC radio is the best option for the latest emergency information, so keep a battery radio on hand. Check with your emergency authorities for warnings and information specific to your region. Remember, stay connected in an emergency with your local ABC radio, on TV, online and via social media. Find more tips and advice at abc.net.au/emergency.